Hi, my name is Jake Carstensen, and today I will be showing you how to make a brochure in Microsoft Word. Now, the first thing you want to go ahead and do is open a blank and new document. So you want to go to File, and then the first tab, New Document. Should bring you to a new page. Second thing we want to do is set up the page correctly. So next we want to go to File, and then Page Setup. Should be close to the bottom. Now we need to set the page to A4 and landscape. So what we're going to want to do is go to Paper Size, A4, and then A4 again. And then over by Orientation, we're going to click Landscape. And once you're finished with that, click OK. Now we have to set our margins correctly. Select the Layout tab, then the drop-down Margins, and now we want to select Narrow Margins. Now step 5, we have to add our columns. Now for whatever you're doing specifically for your project, you can have 4 or 5 columns, but for ours we're going to go ahead and do 3. So the first thing we want to go ahead and do to add our columns is go to the Columns drop-down menu and then select your desired amount of columns that you want. For us, we're going to do 3. So now your paper will be divided into 3 different sections, obviously left, middle, and right. Step number 6, which is the most important part, we have to add our information. Now, for the sake of saving time, I went ahead and created another brochure with all my information already on it. Be sure to organize it properly with bullet points, number lists, or whatever you feel is necessary for your brochure. So in our case, we're going to go ahead and do bullet points for most of it. So we're going to go ahead and select the whole paper and hit bullet point. Now all the topics are even bullet pointed, so obviously you want to backspace out of those and get those out of there. And then obviously you want to center all of your titles. For step number 7, we have to add color. Color is a great way to catch the attention of the audience. Make your important parts different colors in ways you seem fit. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and make my titles red. Now step number 8. Pictures. Pictures are another great way to catch the eye of the reader. Add pictures that are matched with the information of the brochure. Now, again, for the sake of saving time, I've already copied a picture to be put into our brochure. So obviously you want to make it big enough for your audience to see it, and if you can find different open spots throughout your brochure to add more pictures or more colors, do so as you see so fit. Now, once you feel that you're happy with your finished product, go ahead and select File, then Print, and you can print out as you desire. Thank you very much for listening to my video, and I hope you have a good day.